In this question, you have to identify the component which is not an important for initiation of parturition in humans. Now, parturition, which is the process of giving birth, involves the expulsion of the fully developed fetus, and this natural process is regulated by a complex neuroendocrine mechanism. Now, coming to the option A, release of prolactin. It is not an important component of parturition. Prolactin is primarily responsible for stimulating a milk production after childbirth. Hence, it is the correct answer. Option B, increase in estrogen and progesterone ratio. It is an important component for the parturition. And estrogen promotes uterine contractions while progesterone inhibits them. So, as labor approaches, progesterone levels decrease relative to estrogen, thus facilitating uterine contractions. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C, synthesis of prostaglandins. It is also an important component. Prostaglandins are crucial for initiating labor because they help in softening of the cervix and enhance uterine contractions, thus facilitating childbirth. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option D, release of oxytocin. It is also a very important component. Oxytocin is a hormone synthesized by the hypothalamus and secreted by the posterior pituitary gland that stimulates uterine contractions, which are very necessary for the progression of labor. So, it plays a key role in both the initiation and progression of parturition. Hence, it is incorrect